Coming down, that's for sure. Alright, August 19th, still running. Alright, we got a real short pop-up shower from the heat. It's August 16th. Come on, it's probably going to be not much. Because it's just a pop-up. Dang it. Come on, give us an inch or two of rain in like 15 minutes. Well, shucks. Look at how, that's how quick it comes and how quick it goes. It's been like 40 seconds so far. Come on. Now we're at like 2 minutes. But it's about to end. This was just a pop-up. But tonight, a big red one might develop. Darn it. Come on, man, dump it down. It's been like a minute and a half. We need this for like an hour straight. Or super heavy for a half hour. Come on, baby, bring it. Okay, there's our rainbow. Rain lasted maybe 3.5 minutes total. Let's go see if we can get a better look at it. The rainbow always comes right in that direction after a heavy rain. So that's pretty cool. Did it fill the pond much? Yeah, no, but tonight we're supposed to get some heavy storms, so stay tuned. We'll check back in. Coming down, that's for sure. All right, here's about 7 a.m.-ish. Still coming down, but not nearly as hard. So at this point, I'm pretty excited because it looked like a 3-inch event, but we're going to see if it was or not. All right, it's like August 19th, I think, and we got pretty good heavy rain last night and this morning, so ponds are looking fuller. Let's go check them out. I'm getting wet. Old pond is definitely up. This boat channel should be running. And there's a new pond. Oh, it's still raining on me. Oh yeah, she's come up. Boat channel is running. Again. Nice. Oh, bullfrog, another one. Alright, that's it for now. It's supposed to rain all day today, so we'll see. Hopefully we get some more volume in them. Alright, August 19th. Still running, and it definitely looks fuller for sure. Got frog movements there. Love this boat channel with the creek stone in it, kind of like a little homemade man-made creek. I'm working my way, there's a bullfrog right there, over to the beach, but wow, it's moving along slowly but surely, one rain at a time. All right, we just signed a deal on the new 85, Project 85. When I'm hanging out on the beach, I love the new boat channel. There's all kinds of bluegills already in this little thing. So anytime you create a little micro habitat, micro plot, whatever, it's awesome. So there's frogs in here, there's minnows in here, and there's bluegills chasing around minnows in here. So it's all good. Big progress the last few days, so stay tuned. August 19th right now, and we just signed on our next investment property. Yeah, see, there's somebody working that little area right there. Look at that. Nice.